Yes, it's my second year. Actually, last year I was also here. So yeah, I'm happy to be here right now.
So, anong feeling? May kaba pa ba? Or dead man na lang? Rarampa ka na lang?
Actually, parang wala. Siguro kasama yung kaba, but it's more the excitement talaga. I'm just very, very excited at sa gathering na ito because of course, obviously, it's another opening na naman, panibagong season na naman. And I'm just very excited to represent, of course, sa ating mga kabarangay.
Gagano kaiba ito compared doon sa mga dati mo na ginagawa sa pagkanta, sa pag-acting? Gano'n kaiba to?
It's definitely different because parang ang tagal ko hindi nag-music. Last time na nag-music ako was like, apart from last year, parang high school pa ata ako noon or college days. So I usually do a lot of singing, a lot of performing, a lot of acting, and nakakatuwa because kinuha ako ng Ginebra to be their muse. So I'm just very grateful for this opportunity.
Anong feeling na never nire-represent mo? Sila yung may pinakamalaking fandom sa buong basketball team ng Pilipinas.
Nakakatawa kasi fan din ako ng Ginebra ever since. Very happy. Siyempre, napakalaking opportunity nito para sa
Thank you.